Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the AWE Tread Edition exhaust, available for the 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, both the 2- and 4-door models equipped with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. Now, if you're not already familiar with AWE, just a little backstory.
AWE is a manufacturer of high-performance car parts going back about 30 years. As you can see here, our roots really started in supercars and Audis and BMWs and Volkswagens, and we've leveraged those decades of experience toward what has really become one of our favorite new markets. We've always been Jeep guys, and now we get to use all that experience and all the technology and all the patents we have on the Jeep market. We're super psyched to be working with Quadratec to get this thing going.
AWE is creating all of their exhausts right here in the USA. In fact, they're located right here in Pennsylvania, just a short drive up the road from us here in Westchester, PA. They're in Horsham, PA, and they're doing absolutely everything under one roof, ranging from R&D to production manufacturing, CNC mandrel bending, welding, dyno tuning, warehousing, and fulfillment.
Part of the beauty of having end-to-end development in-house is that we're able to offer some really unique things like a lifetime warranty, and we guarantee that our products are going to fit. Every single product that AWE produces has a custom-built fixture that is going to guarantee that the product completely lines up with your Jeep.
Now, the AWE Tread Edition exhaust is actually available in 3 different configurations. I have the axle back version of the exhaust sitting here on the table. You can also add your choice of either a resonated or a non-resonated mid-pipe for a complete cap-back system. A great feature with this kit is that you can actually start with the axle back system if you like, and then add on the mid pipes down the road if you want to change up the exhaust note. Now, as I mentioned earlier, AWE is using nothing but the best quality materials, crafting their Tread Edition exhaust from CNC mandrel-bent T304L stainless steel. They're giving you everything you need for an easy bolt-on install that requires absolutely no drilling, cutting, or modification to your vehicle, including all of the required clamps and pipes. You also have your choice of either the black or polished stainless exhaust tips. AWE's Tread Edition exhaust does feature their signature 180 technology, and as you can see, this axle back system is a twin muffler, twin exit design. Now, both of those mufflers feature a great straight through free flowing design with that 180 technology to absolutely cancel any of that annoying drone for not only the best sounding, but the best performing exhaust possible. Why don't we go ahead and get the system installed on our Wrangler so we can go ahead and get it outside and let you hear just how great the Tread Edition exhaust sounds.
When it comes to testing, we don't take anything for granted. Whether it's full-on dyno testing on our all-wheel drive Mustang dynamometer, through to track testing, all the way up to off-road testing now with the Jeep market. We always are going to make sure that the products that end up on your vehicles are completely vetted from end to end.
It's just that easy to transform your Wrangler's exhaust note. What a great sound you can get from the AWE Tread Edition axle back exhaust in just a matter of minutes right at home in your driveway or your garage. One of the other great things to point out with the Tread Edition exhaust is just how much flexibility you have with these pipes extending from the mufflers out to the tips, allowing you to get the perfect fitment whether you've got a factory rear bumper or an aftermarket bumper. In fact, you can even swap these pipes left to right, flipping them upside down to tuck these tips even higher if you've got a really high clearance rear bumper. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase an AWE Tread Edition catback or axleback exhaust for your 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the Tread Edition exhaust or how to get it installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.